Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Dewalt. We're going to be using some upcoming videos. We'll do a quick unboxing of it. So I ordered some Home Depot after it's not available actually in the stores. So just so you know, model number. It's a half-inch pack with 2 batteries, a charger. So there's comes in a nice hard case. It's a little zip pad right here to hold it together. So we'll get that off. It'll be a pretty quick unboxing. Just want to show it to you guys in the video. Okay, so obviously got instructions there. Here's one of your batteries, your charger. Here's the impact. Okay, comes with a little bit of charge to it. Got some LEDs on it. And these batteries fit a wide variety of Dewalt tools. I was thinking about getting some other stuff to use these batteries in. But they're the 20-volt lithium-ion batteries. I'm actually not sure the specs of it off the top of my head, how much torque and stuff it has, but we'll be using it in some upcoming videos here pretty soon. I'm going to be doing the rear brakes and the forward, and we're actually going to test it out and do maybe that kind of like a review on it on that, and kind of just see how it does in that video. Battery kind of slides on, slides off. Yeah, there we go. So let's see if we can just pull up the specs. I don't think this is going to have it on here. Let's just see. Off the top of my head on it, I don't know. Okay, so we have the DCF880. The DCF880. So if we go here, the DCF880, 20-volt max, 0 to 2, 300 RPM. There's a whole big chart here. How you can look what it has. Okay, so for the obviously half-inch, 2,700 impacts per minute. Maximum speed is going to be 2,700 RPMs. Just some standard stuff. The torque in pounds is 1,824 foot-pounds of torque. There's a couple different ones you can get. Mine actually has the hog ring on it. I think you can get one with the little ball, the retention ball. I forget what they call it now. But mine has the hog ring on it. I think you can get the other one. But yeah, it's I've seen pretty good reviews about it. Also has the battery charge, the charge indicator. So it actually comes with a little over half a battery. I've seen pretty good reviews about it. So we're gonna take it out. We're gonna, like I said, we're gonna do the rear brakes and the forward. We're gonna test out. We're gonna see. So look forward to that video coming up pretty soon here. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.